Arrma Limitless test hit. I keep getting excessive load detection on my XLXs, so I got the Mama Monster X8S in here to see if I get that same thing. So it's just a test hit, really. So see what happens. Anywhere from 120 to 132, I get excessive load detection every single time. So I want to test it on different ESCs to see if it's my ESCs. Let's start that. Right. And call me. Oh, all right. You're gonna know. Looks right. Look right down there. I'm clear. All right, here I come. Okay. Looks like I got a full throttle pass in. Alright, I'm coming back though. Alright, come on. That looked like a good full throttle pass. Let's see what I got. 145. Beautiful. That was a beautiful run. 145. That's a new PB for this car. So it is my what's the name? 145. It was my ESC. My ESC kept cutting me off, man. This is a new personal best, 145 for this car. You know, let's see what I got going on in here. That was kind of scary. 8S, 24S, graphenes, Scar C. Let me see. Fan ain't even on. XLS 8S. It's a little warm, but fan not on, so motor kind of hot too. Ooh, yeah, motor a little hot. You know, 145. Make sure that's being seen here. 45. New PB. I'm out.